Hello everyone, nice to meet you. I'm Daisy. I'm working for OPPEIN, the biggest kitchen manufacturer in Asia. Because of the COVID-19, the 127th Canon Fair has to be held online. I hope everything goes very well with you and your families in this epidemic period. I believe that's your first time to participate in the fair online, the same as me. Today, I'm so excited to share some information about our company with you. My presentation including 4 parts. The first one is I'll give you a brief introduction about our company. Second part is about our advantage. Third part is our franchise developing. Fourth part is our projects. Okay, let's go to the first part. If you come to China very often, you must heard of OPPEIN because it's easy to find an advertisement of OPPEIN in airports. OPPEIN, as the #1 kitchen brand in China, has totally 5 manufacturing centers covering almost 2.8 million square meters. The sales turnover in 2019 is $1.91 billion US. OPPEIN was founded in 1994. From beginning, OPPEIN is focusing on kitchen cabinets, and after 10 years development, with the booming of real estate industry, OPPEIN is beginning to produce bathroom, and the next year, OPPEIN began to be involved in wardrobe, and 5 years later, OPPEIN began to start wooden doors, and since 2018, OPPEIN launched a new product, aluminum doors and windows. During 26 years' growth, OPPEIN has become the biggest cabinetry manufacturer in China, even Asia. There are totally 4 manufacturers based in China and cover northern, southern, western, and east of the region. The biggest one is in Qingyuan, really close to our headquarters, Guangzhou, and totally 989,300 square meters. With a high efficient capacity, we could promise a delivery punctuality. Here is the data showing capacity for each day. OPPEIN could produce 3,500 sets of kitchen cabinets, 4,500 living room, 1,800 bathroom, and 2,400 interior doors. It's a huge capacity, right? With a high efficient capacity, OPPEIN's turnover is kept going up in the past 8 years. Look at this table. From 2019, OPPEIN's turnover is $580,670 US, and to 2019 has increased to nearly $2 million US. Besides, OPPEIN has been ranking #1 in China's custom kitchen cabinetry industry for 18 years already. OPPEIN's success is not only from its own ability, but also from the excellent business mode, franchise. There are totally over 7,000 franchise showrooms in the whole of the world, and including over 90 overseas showrooms. Here is the picture of our global showrooms, such as in Thailand, Indonesia, America, Africa, Europe, and Middle East, and so on. Okay, OPPEIN's business mode is very open. OPPEIN directly supplies cabinetry to the regions as well. Till now, OPPEIN has exported over 10,000 projects to the whole of the world. After completing so many projects, OPPEIN became more and more famous in international market. From last year, OPPEIN is placing more importance on international market and invests lots of airport billboard and ads in different regions and countries. Alright, now let's start the part 2. Why you choose us? What's our advantage? Firstly is product category. OPPEIN could provide one-stop solution product, including kitchen, bathroom, living room, interior doors, appliance, and furniture. It means you don't need to find the separate supplier, could directly save your energy and your time. As for the design, OPPEIN could provide nice space 3D design covering entering, dining, bathroom, bedroom, functional room, kitchen, bath doors, balcony, and so on. Besides, for above space, OPPEIN could design your home as a conformity style. In this house, every space is the same wood finish, looking really nature and European. Okay, if you don't like this style, no worry. There are more styles for your choice. For example, industrial, contemporary, modern, transitional, traditional, and whatever you like. Maybe now you are attracted by OPPEIN's numerous amazing designs, but where does it come from? Actually, OPPEIN has a design center in Milan. Two famous professional designers provide fashionable design for us every year. If you are a big fan of fashionable kitchen, OPPEIN would be a great choice. And why their design is so professional? Because all design is compliant with human economic. For example, each kitchen has separate preparing area, cooking area, washing area, and relaxing area. This space is really comfortable if you're gonna to have a party in your home. Apart from that, all cabinet height and depth is complying with the foreigner's height to keep you could use it easily. For different market taste, OPPEIN also has advantage. OPPEIN could provide different door finish, such as melamine, laminate, lacquer, UV lacquer, PVC, solid wood, metal foil, and so on. Next, I'll show you some details about quality. Here is the OPPEIN's cabinetry structure. Three kinds of base material is available in our system: plywood, MDF, and particle board. OPPEIN uses 16 mm thick carcass and 18 mm thick door panel. The plinth is adjustable leg, could bear 100 kg weight. There are different selections for aluminum kicker, black, silver, white, and so on. Compared with other suppliers, OPPEIN's hardware has higher quality standard. For example, OPPEIN choose the bracket. The bracket can bear 50 kg weight, and OPPEIN choose the Germany anchor and the Italy glass shelf pin zinc alloy material, and with a very excellent locking performance. Apart from hardware details, OPPEIN has more strict internal quality control system. From the incoming material through production to delivery, OPPEIN has installed a complex control system for all process steps to ensure for the high quality of each product. What's more, OPPEIN has the only one lab center in this industry in China. We'll have over 500 testing a year. With so strong innovation capacity, naturally, OPPEIN attracted a lot of excellent business partners, such as Caesarstone, Southstone, Bloom, Hattish, Chef, Ray Hall, and so on. OPPEIN is confident about our quality, also responsible for that. OPPEIN provides 5-year warranty and lifetime service for our customers. Maybe you'll ask, how do you ensure warranty and provide after-sales service? Don't forget, OPPEIN has over 90 franchise showrooms in overseas market. They could assist for the site measurement and installation. Besides, OPPEIN's headquarters team will visit the market 3 or 4 times a year to get feedback from the site and our customer to ensure provide better support in the near cooperation. Okay, now is part 3. I'll introduce the franchise developing for you. OPPEIN has over 7,000 showrooms in the whole of the world. Footprints spring to Europe, Southeast, South and North America, and so on. Why so many franchises join OPPEIN? That's because OPPEIN gives great support and guidance for them. For instance, before we sign contract, OPPEIN will help the customer to do the investment analysis, showroom design, and a new showroom launch program. And also we have the special discount for display sample and the staff training. During the marketing, we have the allowance for advertisement and the promotion, annual monthly promotion, and even we have some business development coaching in order to help our dealership to learn the skills fast. We will have the monthly training course for them, covering sales, design, and installation. Now is the final part about projects. Before I mentioned, OPPEIN has franchises in many cities. They are all authorized in their market and regions. In some markets, there is no franchise. OPPEIN will supply cabinetry directly. Here is some picture in domestic market. OPPEIN in China, OPPEIN has strategic relationship with famous owner like Greentown, Country Garden. In overseas market, also have some cases like below. OPPEIN work with owners, contractors, subcontractors in overseas market, such as Brookfield Multiplex, the top one in Australia, and Damar Home, LU7 in Western Australia, and also Magic Development in America. I introduced that before. With 10 years exporting experience, OPPEIN has completed so many landmark buildings in different countries, and I do believe there will be more in future. Okay, my presentation comes to an end. I'm so proud of OPPEIN, and hopefully you'll like it as well. And welcome to work with OPPEIN one day. Thanks for your attention. See you next time.